When it comes to YouTube, one of the biggest threats to the success of your personal brand are going to be hackers and online scammers. Imagine after grinding for months, sometimes even years, to build a strong personal brand and a loyal subscriber base, only to get locked out of your YouTube channel by a hacker, or worse yet, get demonetized by YouTube for invalid traffic. Worst case scenario, these dirty scumbags can cause your account to be permanently banned for violating YouTube's policies. Which is why in today's video, I discussed the controversial topic of YouTube SEO and how to protect your personal brand from one of the most common phishing scams out there, the YouTube SEO expert. So what exactly is a phishing scam? Phishing refers to any attempt to steal sensitive information by pretending to be a reliable and trusted source with an unbeatable offer. It's much like real phishing. A scammer puts nice attractive bait on a hook, hoping that you bite and give them access to your hard-earned money and personal information. If you're a Jason Statham fan like me, you should check out the movie The Beekeeper. It explores the world of phishing scams with pure action and instant scammer karma. I hate a scammer. Alright, let me break down this scam so you know how to avoid these imposters. These scammer bums lurk in groups like Facebook and Reddit or in the comment sections of your videos. They target small or new YouTubers who are trying to grow. They comment on your posts and videos, or sometimes even slide into your DMs claiming to be YouTube SEO experts. Most of them say the same thing. They tell you how good your videos are, and then they tell you how much better they could be if you do YouTube SEO. Some of them try to sell you their YouTube SEO and promotion services. Others offer to help you for free over WhatsApp or Telegram and then ask you to click links in the chat. Stranger danger. Never click links from random strangers on the internet. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Hit the bell icon for more tips on personal branding. These scammers are convincing and you may think it's a really good deal to SEO boost and promote your channel. But be careful, these scammers are good. They can make your channel look like it's growing and doing great. You'll see your views and subscriber counts going up, but the big problem is these parasites use fraudulent methods to promote and grow your channel, which means your channel will get flagged the moment YouTube detects any suspicious activity. If this happens, there will be no way for you to prove that you didn't violate YouTube's policies. The best thing that you can do to protect your YouTube channel is to ignore these comments and messages at all costs. I have even seen situations where a creator simply said no and it pissed the scammer off to the point where the scammer flooded the creator's channel with bots for fake views and engagement. And if this happens, there's literally nothing that you can do about it. So please be careful. Protecting your personal brand is crucial to your success. The main reason that this scam works is because most people don't fully understand SEO. If they did, they would know it's not rocket science and that you don't need to be a YouTube SEO expert to do it. When it comes to YouTube, SEO isn't what people think. The reality is, it's not even a thing exclusive to YouTube at all. The concept of SEO was developed in the early 90s, long before YouTube's rise to power. It stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the process of improving an internet website so that it shows up first when someone searches for a specific thing. It was the OG way to rank in search, and it was all about driving organic traffic to your website from search engines. This is why some creators will say that SEO is dead. It's older methodology that doesn't work with the modern YouTube algorithm. Tagging your videos with keywords and putting as many hashtags as possible in your title and description no longer works. Don't believe me? Check out what YouTube has to say about tags in their help center. YouTube says tags can be useful if the content of your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in your video's discovery. They also explain that a video's title, thumbnail, and description are more important pieces of data for your video's discovery. My channel is all about sharing the knowledge and tools needed to build a strong personal brand and secure your future. So let me show you how simple and easy it is to optimize your videos and YouTube channel. Keyword research. Your video title should match as closely as possible to the top search keyword or phrase in your niche. The only way to do this is to know and understand what content people are searching for. In my opinion, this is the first and most important step when optimizing your videos. Good research prevents you from making one of the most common mistakes on YouTube: wasting time making videos no one wants to watch. It's painful. Always remember, the goal is to be found easily. People won't find your videos if the keywords in your title do not match the keywords that people are actually actively searching for. It's that simple. Creator tools like vidIQ are great resources for keyword research. Check out the link in the description below for more information on vidIQ. Optimizing content. When making content, make sure it provides value to the viewer and it delivers on the promise of the thumbnail and title. It doesn't have to be high production value. All you need to do is satisfy the needs and wants of the viewer. Try to personalize your content based on the information that you found in the research stage. Optimizing video descriptions. Your video description should describe the topic of the video in 2 lines or less, and it should be made up of the relevant keywords from the research stage. The description should also contain your contact information and additional details about any products or services that you provide. Pro tip: depending on how long your videos are, including chapters in your description can be a nice touch to add. Optimizing channel customization or branding. Next, you need to customize your channel with unique branding. Make sure you put up a profile picture or use a logo in the place of your profile picture if you don't want to show your face. You should also have an attractive channel banner image. And if you want to give your videos a professional feel, you should add a video watermark of your logo. Create brand assets. On the topic of branding, to be fully optimized, you need to create brand assets. This defines you because it will be a unique reflection of who you are, and no one will be able to compete with it. This is your style. Start by identifying the value that you provide and the vision that you have for your channel and brand. Use this foundation to design a logo and pick the colors and the fonts that you want associated with your brand and your videos. Then develop the slogans and the catchphrases that you want to be known for and use them in your videos. Knowledge bombs and big facts. Study it. Before I give you my final power tips on how to protect your channel from these scammer bastards, I wanted to take a minute to show some appreciation and gratitude. Because gratitude is the attitude. Gratitude is the attitude. I realized that my last video, I got a lot of support on that video, and I wanted to give a huge shout out to everyone that took the time to tune in. I got something like 200 views and 5 subscribers, and I wanted to welcome those new subscribers to the channel. My name is Andre, and I am your guide to success in life. Please don't hesitate to reach out and let me know if there's anything that I can do to help you, or if there's any specific topics you'd like me to cover. Also, knowledge is power, you guys. I am a big proponent of reading, so what I'm going to do as I grow this channel, when I hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for this book. Is YouTube Secrets. This is one of the books that I've been reading recently to help me build up my channel, help me learn everything that I need to do and be able to provide you guys with the best quality content. You know what? Click like, click subscribe, comment, and let me know if there's anything that I can do to help you, and let's grow together. We're talking about personal branding on my channel. Back to business. Here's some additional security measures you can take to lock down your channel. First, you're going to need to create a strong password. A strong password is going to be 8 to 12 characters long, and it should contain 2 capital letters, 2 symbols, and at least 1 number. It's even better if you create a passphrase instead. This is basically a short sentence made up of capital letters, comma letters, symbols, and numbers. For instance, a real life example is a strong password. Once you have your password locked in, make sure to turn on 2-factor authentication. This is a critical second layer of protection. When this is on, you get a text or notification to verify it is you whenever someone tries to log into your account. Next, you need to set up a recovery email. This is a different email account to your Google account. This is a lifesaver because you can use it to recover your account if you ever get hacked or locked out. Also, make sure that you have a strong password for this email as well. All these settings can be found in the security center of your Google account. I highly recommend logging into your account and reviewing the information in Google Security Center at least every 6 months. It tracks all your account activity and shows you which devices are logged into your account, as well as what apps have access to your data. Gratitude is the attitude. Again, big shout out to the 5 subscribers that I had last week. I really appreciate the support. It was very motivating for me to be able to see that I'm connecting with people and people are resonating with my content. That being said,